all about my business. Yeah, I've been working hard, always keeping to myself. Why you acting like a witness, man? Trying to get a piece once I'm getting all this world. No, you don't need to get involved. No, no, you don't need to get involved. No, no. Now you trying to get involved. No.
Hello friends and friends of delta4x4. Today I have another car directly fresh from the workshop, and I want to present you all the parts we mounted on it. It's the Dacia Duster, the actual model. Here you can see it. It's now the delta4x4 off-road edition. It seems a little bit like an off-road beast, I think. If you see it from behind, I think Alex will show you shooting from behind. It looks really off-roady. Then first of all, I want to present you the mounted wheels, and therefore we used, of course, our own delta4x4 WP rim, sorry, it's the rim, and it's in black matte. You also can buy the rim in silver, and then you can, for example, paint it in every color you want, what suits perfect to your Dacia Duster. And we mounted also the legendary beef Goodrich tire, the Ultra KO2, with M&S, so it's mud and snow, and also snowflake, so it's the perfect wheel for the whole year, for summer and winter. And the tire is the size of the tire is 225/70/16, so it's a very big tire for Dacia Duster, and therefore we had to lift the car. So we designed and engineered our own lift kit. It's a 20mm lift kit with blocks of alloy, 20mm, but we also work on a bigger lift kit, and therefore we have contract with Bielstein, for example, and maybe we will also lift the Dacia even more, and then we have even more place for bigger tires. The first thing you see if you look on the front of the Dacia Duster is, I think, the front bar with the big PIA lights you can see here, and therefore we use the big PIA LP 570. Therefore we used our own delta4x4 brackets to mount them on the front bar. The front bar is is stainless steel, and it's hand polished. Here you can see also a winch. It's the Horn Tools winch we use for every pickup and every car we modificate here, and we can't tell you something bad about this winch. So I think that was the Dacia Duster. It's now the big Romanian beast, like I call it, and stay tuned. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.